Hello the pupils of grade 2. I hope that you are all fine there at your homes. My name is teacher Emmanuel Akonai, and today I'm going to teach you mathematics. And here in mathematics, I'm going to teach the topic of Tanzanian currency. And before proceeding to the topic of today, I want to remind you something. That when we learned about Tanzanian currency, we have two types of Tanzanian currency. The first one is Tanzanian coins, and the second one is Tanzanian note. And in Tanzanian coins, you have already learned how to add the Tanzanian coin. But today, we are going to learn how to compare the Tanzanian coins. So, I would like to welcome you. I hope that you will enjoy the lesson. So, you're welcome. Then, when you're comparing the Tanzanian coins, so this means when you have a certain coin, then you compare to another certain coin. So, comparing values of Tanzanian coins. The first example says that 2 coins of 50 shillings is equal to 100 shillings. Let me remind you something, and I show you the shillings of the coins of Tanzania, so that maybe you have forgot, then you'll understand again. The first coin you have is 50 shillings. 50 shillings. This is 50 shillings, as you may see there. 50 shillings. Then, the second one, we have 100 shillings. 100 shillings, a coin of 100 shillings. Do you see there? Yeah, okay. Then, a coin of 200 shillings. A coin of 200 shillings. As you may see there? Yeah. Then, a coin of 500 shillings. A coin of 500 shillings. As you may see there. So, almost we have, in coins of Tanzania that are used much in this time, we have almost 4. So, as I've already shown you before, that's 50, 100, 200 shillings, and 500 shillings. So, let's go to our topic so that you may understand it, because I've already reminded you. The first example, 2 coins of 50 shillings is equal to 100 shillings. So this means you have already learned how to add the coins. So I want to remind you something that if I have 2 coins of 50 shillings, when I put together, this means I will get 100. One coin of 100 shillings. So this means 50 shillings plus 50 shillings, we get 100 shillings. Yes. Let's go to the second example. 4 coins of 50 shillings is equal to 200 shillings. 4 coins of 50 shillings is equal to 200 shillings. This means when I have 4 coins of 50 shillings, this is the first coin of 50 shillings. This is the second coin of 50 shillings. This is the third coin of 50 shillings. And this is the fourth coin of 50 shillings. So this means when I have 4 coins of 50 shillings, how much will I have? So this means these 4 coins of 50 shillings is equal to 1 coin of 200 shillings. And the 1 coin of 200 shillings is equal to 4 coins of 50 shillings. I hope that you understand. Let's go together to another example. Number 3. 1 coin of 100 shillings gives 2 coins of 50 shillings. Let me remind you one thing before we proceed. When you say gives or give, and when you say is equal to, these are the 2 words that have one meaning in our topic of Tanzanian currency. Then, when I have 1 coin of 100, let me show you. One coin of 100 shillings is equal or gives 2 what? Coins of 50 shillings. So this means when I have 1 coin of 100, it's the same as when another person have 2 coins of 50 shillings. So 100 shillings is equal to 2 coins of 50 shillings. Let's go together. So 1 coin of 100 shillings gives 2 coins of 50 shillings. I hope that you understand. Let's go together to another example. 3 coins of 50 shillings make 150 shillings. So this means when you take 3 coins of 50, 3 coins of 50, this is the first coin, as you see there. The first coin of 50 shillings, the second one, and the third one. So when I have 3 coins of 50 shillings, when I put together, this means I will get 150 coins, 150 shillings, 150 shillings, 150 shillings, as you see there. In another way, we can take this as this one. So this one, I will take 100 in this way. So this means I will take it as this one, 150. So when I have 3 coins of 50 shillings is equal to 150 shillings. Let's go to another or to the last example. 1 coin of 200 shillings is equal to 2 coins of 100 shillings. I repeat again. 1 coin of 200 shillings is equal to 2 coins of 100 shillings. Sometimes people used to go to the shop and ask you for the change. Maybe your mom or your papa may send you to bring a change. Maybe tell you, hey, somebody, go and bring for me a change of 200. So when you go to bring a change of 200, this means you're going to bring 200, but for 100, 2 coins of 100. Hey, you, John, go and bring for me a change of 200. So once you go to bring a change of 200, this means you will go to bring 2 coins of 100. So this one, when you say, hey, you go and bring change of certain coin. So this means when you have 1 coin of 200, it's the same as 2 coins of 100. So this one you say comparing. We compare similarities. So we take this one is equal to this one. So as you may see, so this 2 coins of 100 shillings and this 1 coin of 200 shillings. So this one is the same as this one. Dear people, I hope that you have enjoyed a lot the lesson. It is very easy to compare the coins of Tanzanian currency. And I want to remind you, once you want to compare the coins of Tanzanian coin, this means you must know the coins. And I've said we have 50 shillings, 100 shillings, 200 shillings, and 500 shillings. Those are the single ones. So this means there is only one single coin of 50 shillings. And then there is only one single coin of 100. Then there is only one single coin of 200. And then there is only one single coin of 500 shillings. Then, according to that, I will give you the work to do. Make sure you do all the questions that I will provide. Then, after there, according to all these examples that I've already given to you, if you did not understand somewhere, please, you may refer back from the starting and to the end. I hope that you will understand. Dear people, I want to remind you something about corona disease or coronavirus. Coronavirus is everywhere now. Make sure you keep safe. You stay at home. Stop unnecessary movements. When your parents tell you to stay at home, make sure you stay indoor and you don't move around. Then, I would like to tell you, thank you for listening my lesson. Then we shall meet maybe to another lesson. Bye.